Best deals.
1. Sponge. Super absorbent and breathable design, swells soft and elastic in the water-absorbent state. Easy to clean, grease, dirt and no stains left. Simply add the sponge to water to watch the magic happen. Can also be used as facial sponges and bath sponges. It is gentle enough for daily skin cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Ice cream scoop. Constructed with premium stainless steel, genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. It resists rust and corrosion, maintaining its pristine condition even with frequent use. This versatile scoop excels in handling butter, fruit, desserts, and more. Its adaptability makes it an indispensable tool in your kitchen, simplifying various culinary tasks. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Toothpaste dispenser. It's durable, dust-proof and waterproof and high-temperature bearing. Having the cute toothbrush holder bathroom means having a quality life. Maximize your sink or shower space with this complete bathroom brush holder. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Clothes hanger. The hangers have swivel hooks and 5 trouser bars. As hanger specialists, we know a thing or two about these wardrobe essentials. Multiple shirts, pants, ties can be hung at the same time on this hanger. It's stylish and attractive, suits any wardrobe settings. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. Crafted from durable natural soft rubber and high-quality beech wood. Easy to clean, the stains also help restore the original texture of these suede accessories. Be used on most suede or nubuck leathers accessories, such as suede boots, shoes, coats, jackets, and make them look brand new. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Aerator sprayer head. The Bubble Elves 4-function faucet aerator with innovative flipping and switching water spray mode and 750 degrees universal adjustment design. The bubble water flow design adopts the light oxygen technology to ensure each drop is light, soft, and non-splashing during daily using. 0.35 mm dense spray is rich and feels powerful. 0.3 mm spray water can effectively soothe skin. The faucet can turn upward to release hands when brushing teeth, which can meet the needs of the whole family. The design of the 4-function faucet is flexible, which can directly installed by hand without tools, done in seconds. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Laundry basket. The foldable design of this plastic laundry basket allows you to store it easily when not in use, maximizing space in small homes, apartments, or dorm rooms. Ideal for clothes storage in tight spaces. Whether in the bedroom, bathroom, or kids' playroom, the storage basket accommodates dirty clothes, toys, or household items, making it a practical solution for every corner of your home. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Lint roller. Boasts molecular adhesion, easily picking up pet hair and crumbs from clothing, furniture, and floors without harming your fabrics or skin. Perfectly sized to fit in your pocket, suitcase, or bag, it doesn't take up much space. Simply rinse the gel roller ball under water to clean it. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tea infuser. Crafted from high-quality food-grade stainless steel. They are reusable, durable. You can rely on them for long-term use without worrying about deterioration. Cleaning is a breeze too, as they can be easily washed in the dishwasher, ensuring hygiene and convenience after each use. Can be conveniently hung on the edge of the cup and stay firmly in place. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Rolling mat. Crafted from natural bamboo strips woven together for optimal durability and performance. Ideal for making maki rolls, inside-out rolls, and hand rolls with consistent results. Flat slats connected with cotton string allow for easy rolling and cleaning. Rolls up compactly for convenient storage, includes hanging loop for vertical storage option. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Stand mixer. This mixing bowl is made from imported 304 stainless steel, which ensures food safety, and the 6 lit capacity can satisfy most of the daily use of 3 to 7 persons family. Multifunctional stand mixer comes with Teflon-coated accessories which are completely non-reactive to food and dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. Just press the rise button to lift up the head to put the mixing bowl, then clockwise rotate the bowl to lock. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kettle. Polished brass finish with a classic design that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mold. This sushi maker set includes 2 triangle rice molds, 1 rectangle rice and vegetable roll mold, and a rice spoon. The molds simplify shaping sushi rice and onigiri without hand molding, ensuring consistent results every time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cleaning cloth. Come in a convenient roll, similar to paper towels. You can easily tear off a cloth as needed, making them perfect for quick and easy cleaning tasks. Ideal for a variety of tasks, these clothes are perfect for use at home, in the kitchen, office, and car detailing. They are an eco-friendly choice for cleaning in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Biryani pot. Oval shape with high walls concentrates heat and cooks food from all sides. Ideal for layered dishes, 8.8 cm height, such as biryani, shepherd's pie and lasagna. Extra thick 7.5 mm base allows uniform heating without burning. Cook on gas, bake in the oven or serve on the table. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bathroom shelf. Made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Butter dish. Premium butter dish with blade and knife, perfect for butter, cheese, spreads, or small kitchen items. Large size fits standard butter sticks easily. Clear acrylic cover with non-slip silicone base keeps butter safe, fresh, and odor-free in the fridge or on dining table. Smooth design prevents stains, odor, and is safe for dishwasher cleaning. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Apple cutter. Made of commercial grade 430 stainless steel. It can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Or you can just wash it by hand, right up in a jiffy with a little soap and water. Super easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Grinder. With a 2-liter capacity, this grinder is perfect for handling large quantities, making it ideal for big families and gatherings. Built with robust materials, this grinder is designed to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance. Features an ergonomic and intuitive design, making it easy to use and clean, even for beginners. Suitable for grinding a wide range of ingredients, from spices and grains to pulses and nuts, enhancing your culinary capabilities. Aesthetically designed body and body made of high-quality ABS material, perfect for blending, grinding, and mixing a wide range of ingredients from chutneys, spices and smoothies. Delivers strong and efficient performance, easily handling tough ingredients like dry spices and soaked lentils with ease. Complies with Indian safety and quality standards, ensuring trusted performance and reliability in every use. Engineered for minimal noise, this mixer grinder lets you enjoy a calm and undisturbed cooking experience every time. Equipped with a built-in safety feature that automatically stops the motor to prevent damage from overheating or excessive load. Product link is given in the 19th link.